Test. Well, personally, it's a tribute to one amazing family, one amazing company. It means a lot to me as a person. I know it's going to mean a lot to them. I can't wait to reveal this in memory of one great man, Brady Williams. Started this company in 1985. A little tribute. We'll be using it for shows, marketing, everything, the uniqueness of how industrial injection started.
When Dustin called you and said he had a truck idea, I know you'd been talking a lot about wanting a show truck to take around to the shows. Did you think it would be like this?
Not in my wildest dreams, actually. Seeing it in the raw form, and the mind and visions just started coming, and this is what it's created and turned into. As you can see, it's one bad bitch.
All right, so honestly, this is how this went down. So me and Scott were down here October. It was right before SEMA or at SEMA. And we were sitting around like we always do every night, just bullshitting and talking about plans and how we can go forward. And Steve had bought this little truck a few years ago, or about a year ago. And he's like, oh, look at this plan. Like, he had the bed sitting over here, and it was all just in pieces. He's like, this is my plan. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And me and Scott looked at each other and we're like, gosh, you know, it'd be so cool to build this for industrial injection. And over the last 6-8 months, Jeremy had been talking to me about, hey, we need to build us a truck to take to shows, and like, you know, like a show truck or something, you know, and just popped in my head. I'm like, man, let's just build something to take that we could basically show off what we do. It represents industrial injection. And no better place to do it or who to do it is Steve Darnell. You know, he's a part of our organization, and it's super awesome to work with him. And anyway, so we took a little video. I was going to take it up to the boys, show them what my plan was and what I thought about. Turned it over to Jeremy. He said, what do you think of this? He's like, don't tell a word to anybody. We're going to surprise them with this. He started incorporating a bunch of cool things that have come from the shop, and you guys are going to see that as we walk around this truck and you guys check it out. But right now, we're still building it. It's still in the process. We got about 2 weeks to get it finished and show it off to those guys up there. We haven't really done much. I mean, other than kind of help plan it, and I've come down a couple times on the weekend and helped a little bit. But we took a couple days to come down here and kind of help finalize some decorations and details. And so we're getting that finished up, and then we're going to leave it up to Steve. Hopefully, it makes it. But it's a pretty awesome truck. I can't wait to show you guys. You're going to love it.
Yep.
Jeremy, how do you think they're going to react?
I think it's going to bring tears to their eyes.
It better.
Yeah, like just talking about it, what the meaning behind it is and everything like that just gives me chills.
It's going to be super cool.
Yeah, it's a piece that it'll be a lifelong piece for them. And
yeah, it's going to be really neat to be able to utilize it at multiple different shows.
Yeah.
You know, and honestly, it's not anything I've seen anywhere in the industry yet.
Nobody,
you know,
there's not one.
People are building show trucks and stuff, and we're kind of that different group that comes in with the rat rods and stuff,
Yeah.
you know, and it's been pretty cool. And this is one now that the boys get to have and do stuff with on their own time, so it'll be cool. And then when we're not using it.
Yeah, well, they may not get it actually.
So we actually bought this truck from Steve 6 months ago and been working on it and stuff. Dieter's got some of the paint job done on it, as you can see here. Some of the logoing is done already on it. Don't pay no attention to the margarita blender on the back, but that's going to be really cool. So once this thing is done with us this weekend, then it's actually going to get a stereo put in it, and then from there it's going to get the final paint job, the clear coat and the paint, the rest of the logos on it, and the interior. We might see the interior, a little bit of the interior today. Hopefully you guys get to see a little bit of that right now, so we'll see. But it's got a long ways to go in my opinion, but these guys are magic, so we'll see how it goes. But, yeah. So one of the issues we ran into with this little truck is we brought a compound turbo kit on that we were going to bolt on, which we can definitely do, but we have to go down in and put a new downpipe on it. And to do the downpipe, to go in and weld all the downpipe in and everything, you basically have to get it up on a lift. And to get it on a lift, you have to take the whole boxes off, and it's a whole project. And it's just, we don't have enough time for it. Hold on, before you take that out.
I'm just getting it loose.
Well, you can take it out. It's not gonna.
We need to pop this fan off.
Dude, do you ever, like, that might be why I'm getting old, but I have to pee like 3 times a night. And then I pee really fast. But tea, when I drink tea, I swear it goes through me.
Have
like,
you had
way worse
anybody
than water.
check your prostate?
No.
You should.
I got what? 50.
No, do it now.
Okay.
Bump it.
Well, did you check the oil?
Yeah, we're good on oil.
Yeah.
It may suck a little bit down, but it's,
I'm gonna fire it.
Oh, weld's leaking already.
It is?
No.
Oh, I was like, it is. I'm worried about that one, to be honest. That's top one.
Well, we're gonna have to get it up to operating temp. So that's stat open.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ah, Dustin.
He didn't. You guys installed the turbo. You must have been drunk.
No. You said you were gonna finish all this.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Unbelievable.
Where last
I know
night
I
you
said that.
Leave it like that.
Tell me about this pump, Jer.
It's industrial injections. Hot rod VE pump right here. We're gonna be installing on this bad boy. It's got a governor spring in it, modified fuel pin. Should wake this little guy up quite a bit, actually.
What's wrong with the pump that's on there?
We got a leak somewhere on the backside of the head and rotor that at idle's just constantly dripping out of it, so that's unacceptable around here.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the proper parts for the proper application.
Are you Dustin's helper, or is Dustin your helper?
We're just a team.
I've
it's a
never
team
done this
effort.
before. This is
No, we're gonna- we
Jeremy's
just-
teaching me this.
We
I've
YouTube
never.
this.
Yeah, we just use YouTube. Hey, if you want, pull the projector lights off.
Land is overgrown, a slum of heroes, wild mortals and the gods, untouched by sorrow.
So, Jeremy said that it doesn't run. Do we gotta push it in? I'm like, listen, it runs, but it's got a really bad rod now. Yeah, they're deader than dog shit. We need,
You want to pull your truck up?
why don't you pull a truck
Yeah,
up
let's
here?
get my keys
That'll be
right
on,
now.
it'll stay. Pull that truck up and we'll jump it real quick.
It's just right here. I don't have jumper cables, so I'll have to go get some.
We gotta get some cables.
I wonder if there's
somewhere.
some jumper cables in this. I don't think so.
Chase, jump in there.
There we go. Oh, these are nice. We need to take these to console this too. These are the good ones. You know what? I'm gonna take some of these home. These are nice. I can't even afford to have these nice in the house. Margarita bill. We wanted to look at margarita bill.
Other than we should hook the pump up so we can run the forklift over it. We should get the pump hooked up. Because-
I can swing it all the way over there.
That's what I'm saying.
What do you guys think about popping the hood?
I want to tilt it one
Yeah, I
way.
do
Let's
too.
tilt it this way.
We might need to get some. Oh, I can't see. It's coming out of the hinge over there. I need to know how. I don't know where it goes. Can you see it? Put it in that little hole. I know, but I got it. So it's resting. We're gonna try to get this off.
We're good to go. I mean, honestly, it's just getting set up down here. One of the wood things in that corner. And
So it's 50 by 30. So what I was gonna do is have this set up however. I really want
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I'm really excited. What are we gonna sing?
It's like Christmas.
It's like Christmas.
I'm kind of afraid.
Ready? What are we gonna sing?
Listen, we're gonna take you back down to Banana Land to go visit the Jollymon right now. So, are you ready, Robbie G? There's a tale that the island people tell. Don't know if it's true, but I love it so well. Jollymon sings for his supper every night. People fed him well, cause they treated him so right. Whoa, 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 Jollymon sing. Whoa, 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 make a round ring. And they wanted him to sing on the islands near and far. They always found their way by a Ryan lucky star. Tell them of their joys, tell them of their woes. Love to see him coming and hate to see him go. Whoa, 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 Jollymon sing. Whoa, 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 make the music ring. He was making his way home on a dark and stormy night when he heard a cry for help. He saw a passing light. When he reached the other boat, offered them a hand. They said, "Give us all your cargo," and they took a pirate sign. Whoa, 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 Jollymon sing. Whoa, 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 give them everything. Jollymon and sober singing fast and very well. They tossed them in the ocean, but their hearts are made in hell. Came and lined up, but he said, "Jollymon, hello. I've always loved to sing and climb on board, don't let go." Whoa, 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 Jollymon sing.
Cute little dog. So what'd you think of the truck?
Oh, I love the truck. Today is probably the best day of my life. I just can't believe that they went to the effort to make this for our company and as a tribute to Brady and I'm speechless.
It's really cool.
I-
And you know, I didn't get to spend a ton of time around Brady as much as I would like to, but I got enough time with Brady to know him pretty good as his personality and how badass he really is, you know. And
This was his personality.
yeah, totally. You know, and the more I got to build the truck, I got learning more things about Brady because I had to ask a few questions, you know, without calling you, because I couldn't call you, but without, you know, going around with everybody and trying to, without even saying nothing really to the boys, I had to go through Dustin mostly. But to find out all the stuff about him so I could incorporate it in the build and make it something that represents you and him you know, in 1985, driving down the road in this old truck, coming from a job site or just hanging out that day, something you guys probably did all the time, and just together. And that's kind of why we wanted to have, you know, both you guys on the doors, and it kind of represents your, you know, the fun you had with him.
And we were a team. You know, Brady was brilliant when it came to this fuel injection. I'd like to think that I was the one that really supported him and encouraged him to chase your dreams, go for it, take the risk. And this, he would have just loved every second of this, and the fact that you put his personality, well, you put our personalities, you know, into this truck. And
Well, yeah, really, that's kind of it, like the work part, but this is what you guys enjoy
That's
together
right.
in the front seat. You know what I mean? That's you and him together.
the
having fun.
leather that
Yeah.
he chose. I mean,
Yeah.
the rope around the windows, everything about it was just exactly.
It's funny because when I was picking out the material for the seats, I was like, you know, I need something with like a basket weave. I was at my upholstery guy, and I go, I want it to look kind of like, you know, like a lawn chair, like a beach chair or something you would see down in Mexico or something. And anyway, so we started going through his stuff, and I found that material, and he goes, yeah, somebody ordered a bunch of this Louis Vuitton material and they didn't use it all.
Oh.
I go, well, we want to use that. I'm sure Geraldine would appreciate that in the front seat.
High class and laid back.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what we would like to think.
Yeah,
we
it was
were,
like,
but-
it was neat because, I mean, we had some of that left over, and then picking out the material, I just wanted it to be fun. So it
was
felt
fun.
like you guys were like, because you know, when that guy was stuck in the shop working on something, what was he thinking about? Being down by
Being
the
down
beach
on
or
the
being
beach.
somewhere where it's nice and working towards that. So this is all him wrapped up in one.
It is.
And
It
you,
is.
you know
It
what I
is.
mean? I
It
just
is.
thought it was
is
really
us.
cool. But
It's
I'm glad that I
perfect.
had the opportunity to do that with you.
Oh, I just love it. I love every second of it.
Yeah.
The wonder, the umbrella, the 5 o'clock somewhere, everything about it is, it's just us. is.
It really is. It's like, it turned out really good, and I think the boys love it.
The boys love
obviously.
it. Yes, they do.
So, and it's just a big all-in-one family thing, and I just want to tell you that I appreciate everything you guys have done for me and letting me be a part of your life and being a part of industrial, and you know, you guys are a huge part of my life, so thank you.
You're a huge part of ours. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Adios, my friend. Anchor where that ocean is. We'll pick up where you left off. Strumming on a sailor song. We'll hold down this salty rock where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Oh, 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 adios, my friend.